Hello, I'm Danny Dunn. I'm the junior sous chef at Starring at Harome. Today we're making a custard tart with blood orange and gingerbread ice cream. The first thing we're going to do is heat our cream. So we're going to take our cream and put it into a pan and bring it up to a gentle simmer, no more than that, otherwise you'll catch it. Secondly, we're going to crack the eggs into a bowl. The reason that we use British Lion eggs is because they can all be traced, so you know exactly where they've come from and you know what to do with them properly. Mix with our sugar. And then once our cream is heated with our vanilla pods in, we are going to add the cream to the eggs and sugar and whisk until it's all fully incorporated. Decant that into a jug and put into our pourer so we can then put into our moulds. We're going to spread equally between the moulds, and then once this is fully done and they're all nice and equal, we're going to drop the butter into there. After that, we take the blowtorch just to get rid of any little air pockets and bubbles on the top, and then we put that into our tray. So we put our tray into the oven and then we add hot water, which we will cook for about 20 to 25 minutes on 125 until they're fully cooked. Once these are cooked, then we take them out of the oven to put into the fridge to cool down. Once that's done, after about maybe 30 minutes to an hour, we then take the moulds out of the tray. We blowtorch the moulds to loosen the tart so it slides out nice and easy without it sticking. And after that, we take our pastry, which we put on the top. We add blood orange to the outside, a little blood orange gel. And ice cream onto the top. We rocher that and then finish that with a little bit of orange rind and lemon balm. And there we have an egg custard tart with blood orange and gingerbread ice cream using British Lion eggs.